Deepika Sarpal, final year student of BTech Electronics and Communication Engineering from Vellore Institute of Technology, Vellore. I want to become a hardware engineer, but in a stream of IoT, as I like IoT the most. And I'm doing some advanced course related to app development. As IoT, I feel like the connection, like connecting hardware to net, it needs some, like for controlling, we need some app, so or a website. But website, I think it's not that much good because app is everybody is using nowadays. So I'm now working towards app development, and I'm done with hardware part. I got to know about profile building webinar by Career Labs from VIT email. I joined the webinar, and after attending, I got to know that they are not only providing courses but helping in choosing the right career track as well. More things which make them stand out are like giving career guidance by analyzing CV and matching it with other previous CVs available, and this made me select Career Labs. After the seminar, I talked with Mohit sir and he explained me every bit on how these profile building course will help me in getting hardware core jobs, and how hardware industry is also there. And like in college we don't have hardware as a they just more focused on software as a college more, and EC also is considered as a software job. Three tests were conducted: aptitude test, technical test, and career exploration test, in which I found the career exploration test the most exciting and useful. And after 10 to 15 days, I got a call scheduled with Kritika ma'am, and she guided me on what more is required in my profile, like certification and more real-time projects, and why VLSI or IoT or embedded can be best for me. I never wanted a pure software job, so I didn't learn any programming seriously in my college. So she explained me the importance of learning a programming language in hardware jobs as well. So I started learning Python and C++. I explored VLSI, embedded automotive, IoT and wireless communication, robotics, and Python Foundation and C++ Foundation with data structures at my starter pack courses. These courses were beneficial as first, before joining Career Labs, I thought of VLSI as my career. But after these courses, I realized that IoT is the career which I love the most and would like to work day and night for it. All courses have many projects which help me in practical knowledge with concepts. So I have taken IoT career track, and the courses contain every basic knowledge even about sensors working, which I rarely found anywhere in such a descriptive way. Even Arduino programming was taught from basics to advanced. It has 2 major and 4 minor projects to learn things more practically and understand the connection of various devices to ThinkSpeak server and analyze the result. Smart home automation project also taught me how to control devices from mobile with data uploading parallelly to ThinkSpeak and the app. And there were teachers which was we can schedule a call with the expert from industry from the portal. There were many webinars conducted like aptitude crackathon and like HR workshops, and adding impactful projects was the webinar which I liked the most, and it taught me how should I plan my capstone projects and how can I add a real-time valued projects to my resume by analyzing the real-time problems around us. It also briefs about the career prospects for building a real-time projects. There were many support available from Career Labs like email or telegram work and personal support as well. Every person is always ready to help, but without Arpita ma'am and Shaikina sir support, my journey would not be that easy. They helped me, inspired me, and understand me very well. So whenever I had a small or a big problem, they are ever ready to help me on a single message. As an EC student, I have noticed that in college we are rarely taught of a practical hardware knowledge, and how does a core job is a primary question which every student would have who loves hardware. So I have built various projects by learning from random sources about sensors and Arduino, but in-depth knowledge is what was missing. So after joining Career Labs, I felt my life has changed a lot. I got practical experience as well as basic knowledge and a way to get a core dream job.